Hi, I'm Ben from Hannells, and today we are in the quaint Derbyshire village of Aston-On-Trent, and I'm here to show you around this quite special period 4-bedroom property. I'm really excited to show you around this one, so let's go and have a look. So we're inside a really unique property. There's some stunning features, original and new, all the way through, and beautifully presented accommodation from top to bottom over 3 well-proportioned floors. But let's start in the lounge. So as you can see just from the lounge, this property has got all of the features that people love about these traditional period properties. You've got the nice high ceilings, you've got the beautiful sash windows that are in excellent condition, and to top it off, just take a look at this log burner. And then we're through to this amazing space. It's a really versatile room. As you can see, currently being used as a dining area, but it could be an extra reception room, whatever suits you and your family needs. And this is only the second of 3 reception rooms, so you're getting a feel for just how big this property is now. And then we're through into the third and final reception room, which is this great sized dining room. Still plenty of light coming in, complemented by the neutral decor, which is all the way through. And then we've got some nice French doors opening out into the rear garden, but we'll take a look out there in a few minutes. And then a perfect way to finish off the ground floor is in this lovely refitted kitchen. We've got a variety of integrated appliances, space for a great size range cooker with a sleek, stylish cooker hood over the top. And we've also got those views over the garden as well. So that's the ground floor. Let's go and take a look upstairs. So as we head up the first set of stairs, you are greeted by what's probably one of my favourite features of this property, which is a stunning refitted bathroom suite. Just take a look in there. Also on this floor, we've got 2 great sized double bedrooms. Follow me to number 1. So in here, on this side, you've got 2 sets of built-in wardrobes, so plenty of storage. We've got an ensuite shower room over on this side. We'll take a look in there in a moment. But also, another great feature of this property is some of the views. And through, again, what is another beautiful sash window. Just take a look at those views over the church across the road. And now for the other double bedroom. And as you can see, when we say double, we really do mean double. There's plenty of room for your bedroom furniture, built-in wardrobes again in this top corner here, and windows to 2 aspects, which once again take full advantage of those lovely views over the road. So that's inside. Now let's go and take a look at the garden. So we're out here in the back garden. Nice and peaceful. I can hear the birds chirping away in the trees. You've got off-road parking, secure off-road parking for 2 vehicles behind you. That's access to the back of the property. And there's a nice big storage shed as well for keeping your tools and your gardening equipment out of the way. So this is Church View in Aston-on-Trent. No prizes for guessing why. It's a great location, bags of curb appeal, beautifully presented inside as you've seen, and a great size. What more could you want from a family home? It's available with our Chellaston branch of Hannells right now. So for more information or to arrange your very own viewing and come and have a look for yourself, give the team a call on 01332 705 505. So thanks for having a look around with me today. Hope you've enjoyed today's tour, and I'll see you on the next one.